Hi guys, so as you can see by the title, I will be showing you how to clean your brushes today. I have tried many things in the past and it just didn't work as good as this method. I have tried baby shampoo, I've tried clarifying shampoo, I have tried dish soap, I have even gone to the store and purchased stuff that is made to clean the brushes. And honestly guys, it just doesn't come as clean as the way I do it. I know this is a lot of brushes, it's a whole bucket. As you can see, it's a whole bucket full of brushes. Now, me coming back from vacation and my clients, these are just brushes that I've used. Now, obviously, if you know anything about me, these are not all. This is probably not even half of them. But anyways, I always stir them up and clean them at the same time. And when I'm just doing a spot clean, I like to use this stuff here, if I can get it the right way. So this is, here we go. This is the Daily Brush Cleaner, and you can use this, just spraying it on directly onto your brush. Use a paper towel and you rub away the product, and you can use that right away. Now, I purchased this from Sephora. Now, if you purchase a citrus one, that one is no good. Well, it works. However, it does leave an oily residue. This is what I use for, oops, it's open. This is what I use for my beauty blenders. This is just a beauty blender cleaner, the cleanser for the beauty blender. And this is also purchased from Sephora. I'll leave everything that I use in the description box below. And this is what I use to clean my brushes. It's really weird, but it is Mystic Blue Soap. This is what Jamaicans, or West Indians, I should say, use to get their white clothes whiter. And this is what I use to clean my brushes, and this is what makes it come out squeaky clean. Okay, guys, so I have this little brush cleaner. It has ridges on it. I hope you can see this. It has ridges on it. There. So it goes from small to medium to large ridges. Okay, so I use this with the soap and water. So I have my soap, I have my brushes, and I just rub the brushes, on the soap, and then I use the cleansing pad with the ridges, and I just go over it in circular motions like this. And then I rinse. You have to rinse and make sure that all the soap is out of your brushes. You don't want to have any left back soap or leftover soap in the brushes. Now, if you need to go over it again, which I do, you go over it again. So as you can see, this brush is clean. This one isn't so clean, and this one should be clean because it's not really, the water is not really coming off dirty. So I'm just going to go over it one more time. And then I put it in a clean bucket. So I just continue that with the rest of the brushes. Make sure that you wet it. Make sure that it's wet. Rub the brushes on the soap. And I generally don't do one at a time. As you can see, I would be here for about 5 days. just want to squeeze the water out, squeeze as much as you can, and as you can see, brush is already clean. Brush is clean. Now, as you can see, I don't have any time to waste. I have 5 brushes in my hand here. 5 brushes, and I'm going to do them all at the same time. Just make sure you get a good grip on them. Rub them around in your soap and your water. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 brushes at once. You don't have to do this one by one. Ain't nobody got time for that. Sixteen brushes at once. Have it, guys. All the brushes are clean and ready to go. So when I clean my brushes, I always place them down to dry on a clean towel. Never place your brushes, let's see, never place your brushes up like this, because what happens is that the water drains back in here, and this is where all of adhesive is, where they join the bristles to the actual brush. So don't do that. You will loosen. Your brushes will start to shed if you do that. Always place them down.